What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Exness to external wallet. So friends, go to your withdraw. From the withdraw option, select your USDT on TRC20. From here, write your external wallet, guys. For example, MetaMask. Click for example buy and sell or receive. Copy this address friends. After copy this address, come to external wallet and then write your amount you want to choose, guys. For example 1000. I don't have any balance enough, and then click confirm your withdraw option. Just come to MetaMask and copy, or you can scan your address from here and then go to your Exness and write all external wallet here, and then complete the steps to withdraw option. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.